Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your render background in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. To do this, I'm just going to go to the View tab, and I'm going to click on the drop down underneath the Render button, and I'm going to go to my render settings. Now you can see here the last tab is called Background. That's where I'm going to want to go, and I'm going to want to turn on the Automatically Generate the Background checkbox. Then it's going to give me the textures library. I'm just going to hide all the empty ones here. But you can see there's a ton of default background options that I can put in here. I'm just going to render my stuff against a sky. I'm just going to choose this first sky option here, clouds. Then I'm just going to hit OK. And now when I go to render and I render it, you can see it renders everything against that sky backdrop. That's all for today's video. If you have any idea of what you'd like to see next in these videos, leave it in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful at all, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see all the helpful videos that we have coming down the pipe. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.